Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to whip up a tasty balanced meal in just 5 minutes. Perfect for you when you are in a hurry but still want something nutritious, satisfying and full of flavor. Let's get straight into it. We are starting with a pre-cooked chicken seekh kebab. You can use homemade or store-bought. Toss it into a hot pan with just a little ghee or oil of your choice and saute for a minute or two until it's nicely seared and you start smelling the spices. Once that's done, set it aside. We'll come back to it soon. In the same pan, no need to clean it. We want all those yummy flavors. Crack in 2 to 3 eggs. Season with just a little salt and black pepper powder. Whisk and pour it in. Let it cook on medium heat for about a minute. Now here's the clever bit. As the eggs are still moist on top, place a homemade chapati or tortilla wrap right over it. Lightly press it down so it sticks well to the omelette base. Then apply a bit of ghee on the chapati. Flip it carefully and cook till the chapati is nice, golden and crispy on the other side. Place the sauteed seekh kebab in the center of the omelette and gently roll it up into a tight wrap. Turn off the heat and let it rest for a minute. This helps it hold its shape and locks in the flavors. Meanwhile, let's prepare a quick salad. In a bowl, combine sliced cucumber, tomatoes and onions. Sprinkle in some black salt, a pinch of pepper, a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil and a good squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Give it a nice mix and here's refreshing side salad is ready. Now back to the roll. It's had time to rest and is perfectly set. Slice it in half and just look at that. Crisp on the outside, juicy on the inside with layered flavors. To turn this into a complete meal, I am pairing it with a katori of mint raita and a generous helping of that fresh salad. This meal has everything you need. Protein from the eggs, chicken and curd, healthy fats from the ghee and olive oil, complex carbs from the chapati and a good dose of fiber from the salad. And the best part, it's ready in under 5 minutes and keep you full and energized for hours. If you found this helpful, give it a like, drop a comment below to let me know what quick meals you love and don't forget to subscribe for no fuss real food recipes. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.